Social media has become one of the prime sources to consume news, as it provides instant update on various happenings around the world, but not everything posted on social media sites like Facebook or Twitter are true. There have been numerous occasions where fake news has led to panic and confusion among people. However, Facebook has been working to counter the spread of fake news, and they are finally rolling out a new feature that alerts users of articles that are untrue or disputed. The new fact-checking feature was spotted by Facebook users who were attempting to share a story falsely claiming that thousands of Irish people were brought to the United States as slaves. Attempting to share the story triggered a red alert in the pop-up window stating that the article has been disputed by Snopes.com or Associated Press. It's a much-needed feature which Facebook announced back in December after numerous fake articles emerged during US election. News Desk.